In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to write persuasive product bullet points for your online store. I start by heading to the search bar and typing in a prompt to research the technical specifications for a pair of Sony noise-canceling headphones. I make sure to ask for 5 benefit-driven bullet points that would be appropriate for a high-end electronics website. Once I hit enter, the AI quickly gathers data and generates a professional list of features and benefits. The results highlight the industry-leading noise cancellation and high-resolution audio, translating complex technical specs into clear advantages for the user. It also touches on the long battery life and comfortable design, providing a well-rounded description that is ready for a product page. Now, I want to generate a copy for a different item, so I navigate to the follow-up box at the bottom. I type in a new prompt for a 40-ounce stainless steel vacuum-insulated tumbler, specifically asking the AI to focus on its cold retention, leak-proof lid, and ergonomic handle. After clicking the Submit button, Perplexity instantly provides a fresh set of polished bullet points. These results emphasize the double-wall insulation that keeps drinks cold for 24 hours and the rugged, sweat-proof construction of the steel. The copy also highlights the security of the lid and the comfort of the handle, making it incredibly easy to create high-quality, professional descriptions for any product in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.